on. We have exactly 5 people. Team deathmatch. Team deathmatch then. Deathmatch. Alright, yeah, alright, yeah. I'm trash, yo. Like, I barely just got this game, so, like, but I'm really good at, Safe Link. Yeah, if you have glitch, you're a noob. You're a pure noob, bro. These are my confessions, just when I tell her. No.
I'll call them you dog. Sounds like a good time.
Hey, hold on. You guys can start. I gotta plug my headphones in. Alright, let's go. Oh, well, I thought I had. Oh, yeah, I already died. Yeah, I'm 0 and 2, I'm 0 and 1. So try me. Oh shit, let's go. Go. Watch it. Oh my god. Let's go. Got somebody. Let's go. I shot him. Alright, good shit. Bro. Yeah, they're sniping. Oh shit. Oh! Let's go. Oh, come on, man. Got him. Whoa. Gravity spawn. Yeah, that was a fail. Damn! Yo, that dude just, bro, like, I just literally, that literally looked like the thunder gun, yeah? Like, I literally got blown away. Got your ass, nigga. Oh, come on. Oh, did I get double kill? Oh, I almost did. Yeah, I'm gonna use the Kuda now. Yeah, you're not killing me, dude. Let's go. Thanks for saving me. Damn, we whooped them, bro. We're low-key putting in work. Got you. Damn. Yeah, I gotta get redemption for that. Let's go. Last kill. Last kill. Let's go. 4th place. Let's get it.
Kick some serious ass, guys.
Let's go. He had just killed me too. Look. Look at this noob.
You've seen my work. It speaks for itself.
Yeah, that was corny. Hey, we still playing team deathmatch? Let's go. Yeah, if we get them again, if they didn't leave, then we're gonna whoop them again. It's just that simple. Yo, viewers, type in the chat. Pilot. Okay. Yeah, I like what I have so far, so. Y'all ready? Let's go.
Let's project some force.
Hey. Oh yeah, or that. Yeah, do that. I forgot about that. Good shit. Got you. I got you. Got you. Damn, he killed me with a pistol, bro. I was stuck on the wall. Yeah, someone committed suicide. Yeah. I can't. I gotta be fucking kidding me.
stick.
Move. Let's go. Oh shit. Bro, he's using a shotgun. Alright, everyone switch to a shotgun now. Nah. Yeah, I'm really about to shotgun cheese all these people. Because it's pissing me off. Let's go. Oh, snap. Yeah, let me switch this gun out. Move! Oh my god, yo, they're just using shotguns now, bro. See, y'all carrying me, bro. Who? Who? Who got disconnected? Bro, lost him. Oh, no, I didn't.
Friendly UAV inbound.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, yeah, that dropped my confidence. Let's go. Oh, come on, man. Got it. Let's go. Get down, bro. Oh, watch it. How did I get killed? Y'all. Bro, I really just kept on shooting. That should have been a headshot kill, yo. Like, are you kidding me? Well, thanks for the assist, though. I got an assist on that, so. Who? Oh, shit. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. What? Oh, my God, bro. I can't move. Like, this shit is ridiculous. Come on. Come on, man. Let's go. Let me get a double kill. Oh, my Jesus, yeah. Let's use. I'm gonna use the Kuda now. Whoa. Go back and grab that. Yeah, this is a cheese gun.
UAV inbound.
Okay, good, good shit, good shit. Oh shit.
UAV inbound.
Oh shit, that's my gun. Hold on. Bro, come on, man. Like, I'm literally right there shooting him. Oh my god, please don't shoot me. Bro, how? Jesus, man. This ain't even fair, yo.
UAV.
Watch it. Oh shit.